Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Groundswell, Giving and Charity app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Groundswell is a modern giving platform designed to simplify charitable donations by combining a personal giving account with easy-to-use tools for managing philanthropy. The app allows users to automate contributions, track their donations, and support non-profits of their choice. It also focuses on tax-efficient giving, providing receipts and reports to make year-end filing easier. Additionally, users can set giving goals, build a charitable budget, and maximize impact through structured donations. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate Groundswell for its clean design, straightforward donation process, and transparency in how funds are distributed. The ability to centralize giving in one place and keep track of all contributions over time is a strong highlight. For consistent donors, the automation and accountability features make it a convenient tool for long-term giving. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Some users feel the membership model adds an extra cost, and the limited investment options for charitable funds may not appeal to everyone. Additionally, the app's impact depends heavily on whether your preferred charities are available within its network, so coverage can sometimes feel restrictive. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button, it really supports the channel. In summary, the Groundswell app may be worth using if you're someone who donates regularly and wants a structured, transparent, and tax-friendly way to manage charitable giving. It shines in organization, ease of use, and donation tracking. However, if you prefer more flexible platforms or want broader investment features tied to giving, it might not fully meet your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.